welcome back. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to do a cold start on this 4-cylinder diesel 65 horse tractor. 1969 Nuffield. It is as cold can be. We're going to do a cold start. So this is a diesel. Check everything first. Yep, look at that. Yeah, looks good to me. Let's pop that open so we can see what's going on. All right, here we go. All right, let's check the oil first so we don't blow her up. Look at that, plenty. Yeah, looks good to me. It's a nice color too. Put that down there. Let's come on over to the radiator. Pop this open. Oh yeah, look at that. You can see down in there. It's not gonna overheat. That's good. Close that up. That would help if I did it on right. There we go. All right, let's close up this hood so it's not rattling around on us. Make sure it's always in neutral. After we did the repair the other day, we got it covered over with a plastic bag. Yeah, look at that. Still looks good. So that was the cold start on the 1969 Nuffield 65 horse diesel tractor. As you can tell, I haven't ran it in a week and a half. And it fired right up, and it's about 3 degrees Celsius out. So it's, somewhat close to freezing. Yeah, it's not quite freezing. I mean, ground's saturated. So the other day, I don't know if you guys watched part 1 of the tractor repair. Well, on the other side, we started fixing the boom where the welds are all cracked. And look forward to the next video. I think it'll be part 2 of the boom repair, where we are going to be fixing right through here. So I don't know if you guys can see it. You can see a nice bulge. See that bulge right there? And you'll see a nice split all the way up. Yeah, to about there. It goes all the way down about there, but it's all wet. So I think this is my theory. I think some water got in this tube here and expanded and split. So sounds hollow. We're gonna drill a hole. We're gonna drill a hole in the bottom here. If there's any water in there, we're gonna let it drain out. We'll keep that hole there. So in the future, if any water has got to come out, it'll just drain right out that hole. We're gonna grind down this. We're gonna hammer this back in. We're gonna re-weld this. And I think, as of right now, we're probably gonna put a plate that goes from here, because a nice ledge here, we'll be able to weld right onto this ledge. We're gonna plate it all the way up, probably to about here. Now, everything is subject to change because, you know, as we explore things, we're gonna find out more things about this. But that's gonna be in a later video, so keep your eyes open for that. You're not gonna wanna miss it. It's gonna be a good video. It's a nice minor repair, nothing too major. So keep your eyes open for that. It's gonna be great. And I'll see you guys in another video. All right, guys, take care.